Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla Star S3 special Android head unit from Jeep Cherokee 2014 to 2019 years. Okay, you can check this front and UI interface. The head unit will come with special harness. So it plug and play. You can check this canvas decoder box, and Jeep Cherokee. Okay, this special power harness, plug and play. Okay. Now let me show head unit. You can check this built-in microphone, this reset hole. Okay. Slide, you can built-in Wi-Fi, screenshot settings, sleep model, and this brightness, the volume, mute volume. It's a sleep model. Okay, you have navigation, music, and this console you can check. This is headlight settings. Headlight setting is power. You can check auto door locks, auto close, and engine off options. Other settings, language unit, and safe and driver assistance. Parking. This support parking radar, parking sensor, front volume and rear volume. Blind spot. This is original amplifier setting. Surround. Okay, that's all. This vehicle settings, this Bluetooth, and phone link, easy connection for mirror link. This mirror link, customize settings, and GPS monitor, date time, language. This DSP amplifier, and this dimmer user setting. Sleep time you can check. Steering wheel control and the system info. Home screen, okay. This AC control, you can control AC on this panel. This is auto AC. Car Auto, this is Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All apps are here. You can check this built-in Google Play Store and Google Maps. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the more settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect to Wi-Fi and support 4G USB dongle. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. It will show Wi-Fi icon on. Okay. Let me test wiki pack. Wiki. Amazon.com. Our website is belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. BLSEE.com. All apps are here, and let me check other settings. You can check this PX6 chip, PX6, and Android 9 system. Okay. This Z-Link, it can support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wired by USB by Android Auto. The head unit comes with two USB cables. There are two USB. You can try another USB. Easy connection you can conceal. Mask shows the Android Auto button. But our screen already shows the Android Auto. You can try it in your country because our country doesn't support Android Auto and Google service. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can search the device. You can please enable Bluetooth from your phone and search. It can app. Choose it and connect. Your phone will get the phone call. You can check settings 40 1 2 3 4. Click OK. Okay, it shows Bluetooth icon. You can allow download the contact listing or notes. Okay, you can click this icon with the full screen show all Bluetooth. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, it can support the free phone call. Okay, and you can listen to music from your phone. Okay, it shows work with Bluetooth music, wireless music. Okay. There are two USB cable. You can connect one of USB. Just random. Choose a USB. Okay, it will show picture. Okay, and video. It's about PRP. It's about 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website. Belsee.com, Belse.com. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.